Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to make a quick video on the speed loader for the 9mm. This wasn't hard at first, so when you do try it, it's hard until you get the hang of it. So keep on trying, and sooner or later it'll start loosening up. But I recommend this one. There's another one that I'm about to get to that opens up. Should be good too. But otherwise, the first few tries, very hard. I was very upset, but I decided to stay with it and try to figure it out. So I kept doing it 5 at a time, 6 at a time, and I kept going up until I got the right amount. So the pretty cool thing about this is when you have your ammo, something like this, or in the little case that in one of my videos is, you can scoop them up and they come right up. You can see there, comes right up, and that's pretty cool. So the object of this is you gotta flip it, and it's gonna look something like that. Your mag will go towards the bottom. You can see the little logo here, show the ammo up. So you'll grab your mag and you'll put it in. Okay, it will click right in. So then you have this special little piece right here, have the little hole, so you're aligning like that. So basically, when you're in the range, your fingers start hurting because you gotta load a lot. Unless you got a lot of magazines, then you're good. But otherwise, you get it and you push it in. So that's one mag, and you see how fast was that? Few seconds. So I come and I grab another one. I put the mag, and I swipe up the ammo. You can see it swipes up pretty good. You gotta make sure you flip it up, okay? Grab it, slide it in, push it in, and you're good to go. So that's another mag. So you can see that it's done very, very quick. There's no issue at all. I'm gonna empty it out and we'll show you one more time. So just remember, break it in. That's basically what you got to do when you first get these. So the same thing, you put it up, click it in, scoop it up, your ammo's there, flip it over, put it in, push it in. Sometimes give you a little trouble, but it's in. Okay, so the last one. Put your clip in, your magazine, snap it in, grab your thing, swipe them all up. You can see it's all there. I usually line up like that. Put it in, put it in, and your mag is full. Highly recommend them, especially if you're in the range, because your fingers will hurt. This is very good. Awesome.